me hear though, we hear that the plane going to move now. Waiting to leave.
Folks on the flight deck verified everything is good with that engine. And just getting all the paperwork cleaned up, and then we should be underway.
How many times we hear that? And then there was a time we hear say we should be moving.
The last one.
Yeah. Never come off. From 8 o'clock. Now it's 11:20. Can't take off. What is it then? 8:37? So it's what? 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost 3 hours delay. 3 hours delay. 3 hours, yeah. Oh, this is crazy. American Airline do this thing all the time. All the time. And the next flight, now, we miss the next flight.
The way I must miss the next flight?
Yeah, we miss the next flight.
The next flight left 3.
The next flight leave 3:30.
Right, now we're not supposed to reach.
So we're not going to reach Miami until 4:30. Because if it's even 3 hours, we reach Miami 4:30. This is foolishness. Whenever I have this problem with American Airline, you're gonna tell me. Tell me. Because right now I'm stressed. Because I want to reach Jamaica today. And if you're in a mine shop, then put you off until tomorrow. Can you imagine? Can't move, so I'm in a plane. Hey, how will you do? Disaster trip. Compliments of American Airline. And just imagine. Tired. mess. Can't move. Every minute is a different reason. What was the first reason? What was the first reason why the flight delayed? Every minute is something else. Every minute. Then they never have water one at a time.
No, water one, this one, the first
Yeah.
one is the first plane.
And then when water come, you hear about an engine, whatever. Every minute is something else. And you need to go where you're going. It is crazy. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my live. Flight delay from 8:37 until soon fully 3 hours, 11:32 now. Not a movement going on, nothing. Sit down up in a plane. I got this will pay money for. Come sit down up in a plane. Think of amusement.